Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Whatever time of the day it is that you're watching this, I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. We have a calendar to do. Okay, let's start with the day, the months of the year, okay? Because we're about to find out what the date is, aren't we? So let's start with the months of the year. Here we go. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, so who knows what month it is? It ends in a er. A lot of them end in an don't they? Okay, so it is, and it starts with a ah. October, isn't it? And yesterday was October the 20th. What comes after the number 20? Let's start at 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21. Is 21 going to be a bat or a pumpkin? What do you think? Oh, if you said bat, kiss your brain. You're right. October the 21st is a bat. Okay, so October 21st. Who remembers what day of the week Mrs. Hensley says it is? What day of the week? Let's do our days of the week. Mrs. Hensley's going to have to scoot you back a little bit so I don't have to bend down. Here we go. There's 7 days. There's 7 days. There's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who remembers what day of the week it is today? I said, I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So there we go. Today is Wednesday. And what will tomorrow be? What comes after Wednesday? Let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, look. What 2 letters say? You get to stick your tongue out. TH. Thursday. So tomorrow will be Thursday, friends. Okay. And what was yesterday? What comes before Wednesday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here's Wednesday. We need to know what comes here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That comes before Wednesday, doesn't it? Tuesday. Okay, friends. So yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, let's move you closer so we can do how many days we have been in school. Okay, so we're going to add a straw and we're going to add a tally. So our straw goes here in the ones place. Adding a tally, and let's count. We have to count by tens first, don't we? 10, 20, 30. So we have 30. 10, 20, 30. Put those back in the tens. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We have been in school 37 days. Let's count by fives with our tally marks. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So you write a 37 with a 3 and a 7. Okay, 37 is 3, 7, 37. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's going to move this over here. And Mrs. Hensley still has the date from yesterday because I thought it was such a cool date, 10-20-20. So Mrs. Hensley needs to erase that. And we will write the new date. Okay, First of all, let's look at our Statue of Liberty. Our Statue of Liberty is a symbol of our United States of America, and also it's a symbol of our country, and it's also a symbol of freedom. We have freedom in the United States, okay? And so, and it is located in New York at the New York Harbor. And our United States flag it's a symbol of our country, the United States. We can call it the United States flag, or we can call it the American flag. And it has 50 stars for the 50 states and 13, a 1 and a 3, 13 stripes for the 13 colonies, okay? So we remember that what number is October? Let's see. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October is 10. 10 dash, and it's the 21st, 21-20. Or we can write it the abbreviated way to shorten October and just write Oct, finger space, 21, comma, 2020. Or we can write the long October out. October, finger space, 21, comma, 2020. So we have the date. Mrs. Henley has something that we're going to do that is new. And I'm moving you over here. I hope I'm not giving you a headache. Okay. I have to move my desk over here. We are going to count to 100 in our daily message. Okay, Mrs. Henley is going to point, and you're going to count with me. Okay, let's see if you can see that pretty. Ooh, you can see that pretty good. Okay, we're going to start. Usually we start with the number 0. Okay, this is a 1 to 100 chart. We are going to start with the number 0. Okay, so here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3. I want you counting with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Good job, Mrs. Henley's friends. Okay, let's talk about what we are going to do today, friends. Today, you will have another ending sounds activity. We will be doing the letter sound cards, all of them. You will have a letter word sound fluency that you will do. October journal writing and reviewing our vocabulary and verbs, and then you will listen to Mouse's First Fall and do an activity with that. And then you will listen to the Number Gators song again. That was a cute song, wasn't it? I hope you guys liked that yesterday. And we will be doing an activity on Seesaw, greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, we might throw a fall activity in there. I don't know. We'll see. Since we're doing Mouse's First Fall, we may not. Okay? Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. I want you to tell me if you're ready to come back to school or not. Okay? If you're ready to come back to school, tell me why. If you're not ready to come back to school, it's okay. Tell me why. Okay? My thing is I'm ready to come back to school because I'm ready to see you guys. I wish we could come 5 days a week, but we will only be able to come 2 days a week. You guys will only be able to come 2 days a week. Okay? Keeping my fingers crossed that we get to go back. But tell me, do you want to come back to school? Yes or no? And why? Okay, if you don't want to come back to school, why do you not want to come back to school? If you do want to come back to school, I want to know why you want to come back to school. What are you looking forward to? Remember, we'll all have to wear masks when we come back, so you can't say, oh, I'm looking forward to not wearing a mask all day, because unfortunately we'll have to wear masks. But what are you looking forward to when we come back to school? Do you want to come back to school? Yes or no? Okay, I hope you don't have to give me a shape today. Just tell me whether or not you want to come back to school and why or why not. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.